Okay guys, we're recording right now, so just be aware of that. If you need to come closer, feel free to move closer. So today's lesson is, I didn't want to make the lessons boring, so I try to make it as exciting as possible. But like one of the basic things we got to do is actually set up Rhino. That's one of the first things we got to do. So sometimes like when I would say something is a double click versus a single click, it's because mine is set up a certain way. So you're going to open up Rhino, and mind you, mine's already set up, but I'm going to just walk you through it, and hopefully we'll be able to not have any issues. Let me just close it actually. All right, let me start it up. All right, so the very first shortcut I'm going to set up is getting to the shortcuts, like getting to the different properties. Mm-hmm. So it's under File, and it's it's not here. Hold on one second, guys. This is going to get edited out. All right, properties. Okay. All right, sorry guys. Start from the beginning. All right, so you open it up. You're going to go under File, and you see the word Properties. Okay. When you click on it, okay, it brings up this Document Properties menu box. Okay. Under Keyboard, okay, right here, the word Keyboard. Mm-hmm. You click on that, and this is where we're going to create all the shortcuts. Okay. So what I do is over here. I'm going to close this real fast. You see on the command line, whenever you do something, the command is here. So instead of trying to type it out and making mistakes, I just come back here and I'll select this right here. See that? Yeah. Including the little underscore, all the way to the underscore. Yeah. Then I hit Control C, which is copy.
Control C.
Okay. Go back to File. Go back to Properties. Go to Keyboard. And F12. Just Control Paste, and then hit OK. And now when I hit F12, it brings it right up. Okay. So now F12 is now always bringing this up. Okay.
And then where do you? Oh, okay. So it has all the F's and all that.
Yeah, everything is here. Okay. So now I'm going to go down to Control E, which is the one that we always talk about, extruded curve. Okay. So what I would do is go under Surface, Extrude Curve Straight, and you see here it's going to, hold on. Right there. See the command? See up here? It says Command Extrude Curve. Mm-hmm. Okay. Select that, and then go Control Copy, hit F12, come down to Control E, okay, and then paste it. I hit OK, and now if I hit Control E, we get the extrude curve. See, works.
Oh, okay.
All right. So sorry if I'm being a little, not super clear, but I think it's clear enough. Like anytime you click on a command. So another one that we use all the time is sweep one rail. That'll be a new one I'm going to show you. Sweep one rail. So when I click on it, right here's the command. It says command_sweep one, right? So just escape out of that, and then you can just scroll up with your middle mouse button until you get to that command. Sweep one. Oh man, it keeps going too much. Sweep one. Actually, let me bring this down so you can see it more. There you go. Sweep one, I'm going to highlight it. Control copy it, Control C, F12. And for me, sweep one rail is Control R. So now I'm going to scroll down to Control R. Here it says sweep one already because mine's already set up. Control Paste. All right, and that's sweep one. And then you hit OK. All right. So that's how you set up the shortcuts. Okay, and we're going to go over them, one by one. The next thing I want to show you under properties, I might have to dig a little bit here, but it's modeling aids, object snap, use appropriate intersection, no, general. Okay, under general, you want limit list to 20 commands. You want minimum number of undos 50 and maximum memory use 256. Okay, set that up like that. You can notice under general. under, let's go one by one. All right. Enable scaling of text, okay, is checked on 1.0. Grid, all viewports is checked. You want 50 and you want 0.10 millimeters, okay. Mesh, we want it jagged and fast, checked on. Okay, units, set to millimeters. It's important that you set it to millimeters unless you're designing like big sculptures. Set it to millimeters. Absolute tolerance 0.001. And we want it 0.1. Oh, keyboard. Oh, F4, very important. The F4 button is 0, 0, and F2 is rotate. These are like the ones I use all the time. We're gonna use this all the time. Okay. Modeling aids. Grid snap on. Bring it up. Nudge. Smart try.
F2 is what? 0, 0?
Yeah, 0, 0, 0.
No, it was F4.
F4. F2 is rotate. Yeah. Thank you. All right, I can't see single click maximize. That's it. Okay, so under view, remember where I kept on telling you it's a double click, single click, and I kept on getting confused why? I have mine set to single click maximize. So that means instead of double clicking here, I just click once and it maximizes it. I like that. I like it as a single click, not as a double click, okay? So that should get you guys started on setting up the keyboard. And we'll go over one by one the commands right now. So you guys can now go back to your computers and we're going to start setting up the keyboard.
Right.